How's it going, everyone? It is the investing guy here. Hope that you're having a wonderful day. Today I have a portfolio update for you guys, and I hope that you guys really enjoy this video. Now, the markets are getting a little bit better, and there's so much in this video that I need to talk about. So make sure that you stick through the whole video and watch the whole thing. All right, guys, I do have a question for you guys. What have you been purchasing? What crypto are you looking at? What is the main crypto that you're focusing on right now? Go ahead and comment down below and let me know what crypto it is that you are purchasing. Before I begin, I do want to let you know that my referral code for Voyager is down below. So if you also want to sign up for Voyager, make sure that you use that referral code and you will receive $25 of Bitcoin when you purchase at least $100 worth of a crypto. All right, guys, let's get right into the video. Back in February, this is what the portfolio was looking like. We can see that we had about $22,000 worth of crypto. And then this is what really matters to me. Our total return was down to $3,691. Now, if you guys go through my videos, you will see that this number at once was all the way up to around $8,000, almost $9,000. Now, what's even crazier is that this number down here, that 3,600, did get down to the 1,000s. Through the worst of the dip, we did get down to around 1,900, and I remember seeing that and saying, "Wow, I need to buy some more stuff." Luckily, I did purchase a little bit of stuff here and there. So I will talk about that throughout the video. So let's check out what the portfolio is looking like now. So let's check it out. We can see that the portfolio is up to around $24,000 in terms of its total value. The total return, which is one of the things that I look at that I think is the most important, is back up to around 4,800. We're getting very close to that $5,000 level. So you guys can see that I have mostly all USDC. Depending on how risky you want to be, you should have at least minimum 10% of your portfolio in USDC. Just to make sure that you're earning some passive income. We have 3,300 worth of Bitcoin. We have some Ethereum, VGX, which is starting to get back up. Hopefully it reclaims that $2 level, but we're getting close to that 1,000 VGX mark. So slowly but surely, I think I learned my lesson with VGX when I went all in at once. As much as I want to go all in on VGX, I'm just taking a more precautioned approach to things now, and I'm gonna go ahead, and just accumulate slowly and surely. And here we have ADA getting back up to almost $1, so we have some ADA there. Polkadot back to $20. XLM, Matic, Ethereum Classic. This is one, if you go back to my last video, you can see that my percentage change was down to I was almost down 70% on Ethereum Classic. But I did average down on some Ethereum Classic. I was able to purchase a little bit more, and you can see that that's working out quite well because, well, we're almost even on our Ethereum Classic. We're only down 15 bucks on that. I don't know, if it gets up to around $55, $60 range, I probably will sell my Ethereum Classic. We have some EOS here. Same thing, we averaged down on EOS, some SHIB, Stormex, Mana, and then Doge. So that's all that we have there. Now, I do want to tell you guys that I did do a few trades. So the first one that I did a trade on was Luna. I was able to purchase Luna. I want to say it was around somewhere around here I was able to purchase Luna, but the point is that I bought it for around $80 and I was able to sell it for around 95. It just went through a few days ago. So I was able to sell it for 95. I made a few bucks there, and now I'm waiting to purchase it back down to around the $88, $89 range. That's what I want for Luna. Another trade that I was able to do was Litecoin. I went ahead and I purchased 2 Litecoins at around $95, I believe. And then I was able to sell them at around $115. So I made about 30 bucks there. So that was pretty cool there. The last trade that I did was on Ape Token. I was able to buy it around here, right when it came out, around $7. But the spread was huge, so I did end up paying around $9. But I was able to sell it somewhere around, I believe it was around $15. I was able to sell it for around $15. Now I am waiting for this to go back down to around the $9 range. I'm looking at the low $9 range, and then maybe I'll go back in and purchase some Ape Token. If not, I'm okay without it. I don't really need it. So you can see here in my percentage change that I'm still negative on pretty much everything. And I did get a comment last time that asked, hey, how come I'm positive on my total return, yet everything here is negative? Well, the thing is, guys, is that I do a lot of trades, right? For example, Bitcoin here. Let me show you guys my Bitcoin. Where's my Bitcoin? All right, so my Bitcoin here. I did not purchase my Bitcoin at $45,000. Okay, the first time that I purchased Bitcoin was around $30,000. And well, I've been trading it ever since. There's been times that I buy and sell. I haven't done it recently. Lately, I've just been accumulating interest, but I did do that early on. Same thing with Ethereum. Ethereum, I was able to purchase it around $1,000, something like that, 1,400. The first time that I purchased Ethereum, I did not purchase it for 3,600. Right, so it's just trades, guys. I've been doing a lot of trades. I've been on this platform for quite a while. So once you do a trade, it doesn't show it anymore, right? Your average price it just kind of goes away. So that's another thing to remember. Just a little FYI, I did get some people asking like, hey, how come my total return is up even though everything that I hold is down? Things are starting to, get a little bit better, but just a little FYI. The reason why that has happened is, well, I've done many trades. For example, Litecoin, there's some of the trades that I did on Litecoin, some of the trades that I did on Ape Token, right? Those are gone. You can't see them here anymore. It doesn't say that I held Ape Token, but I did. I made some money on Ape Token. I made some money on Litecoin. That doesn't show it, but it does reflect it on my total return. So just a little FYI. The next token that I really want to focus on is on Luna. I'm definitely going to start building up my Luna bag. Now, I have done trades before with Luna, but now I really just want to buy and hold Luna. Now, the reason why is it's just this here. If you look at the total supply, you see how much is being burned on a daily basis, how much it's being reduced. It's just insane to see these numbers. If you just do the calculations, as long as this continues, and even if the market cap stays relatively the same, the value of Luna will continue to go up just because of this supply number here is going down. So this is a crypto that is being burned quite heavily, and so eventually the price will rise of the token. So that's why I do want to build my bag of Luna. So I want to make sure that I hold at least 10 Luna on Voyager. If the price of Luna does go down, then I'll just average down on Luna. But I do want to make sure that I have my 10 Luna there, earning at least 4% on Voyager. So that's going to be one of the plans there. What's next for my portfolio on Voyager? That's probably going to be the next big move that I do. It's going to be purchasing ourselves some Luna on the portfolio. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this whole video. If you enjoyed this content, make sure that you smash that like button down below. And if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure that you smash that subscribe button also. I do have some big announcements coming up, so make sure that you keep your eyes open for the next video. It is going to be something very important, something very crazy, something that I haven't really thought about doing until I really started doing some research. So I definitely want to show you guys what I just did. I do think that it's going to be quite important, and maybe some of you guys might find it useful. So definitely keep an eye out for that next video. All right, guys, like I like to say, let's go to the moon together, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.